Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of you have asked about: how to manage your girlfriend and studies. It's a common challenge, and we'll explore some practical tips to help you strike the right balance. So, if you're ready to ace both your academics and your relationship, let's dive in. Prioritize your schedule. The key to balancing your girlfriend and studies starts with effective time management. Create a schedule, develop a clear daily or weekly schedule that includes dedicated study time, classes, and quality time with your girlfriend. Set priorities, identify your top academic priorities and allocate time accordingly. Communication is key. Open and honest communication is vital for a healthy relationship and academic success. Talk about your schedule. Share your class schedule and study commitments with your girlfriend. Discuss expectations. Have a conversation about each other's expectations regarding time spent together and personal goals. Plan quality time. Quality time is essential in any relationship, even when you're busy with studies. Quality over quantity. Focus on making the time you spend together meaningful and memorable. Plan dates in advance. Schedule dates or activities that both you and your girlfriend can look forward to. Stay organized. Staying organized helps you manage your girlfriend and studies more effectively. Use tools, utilize apps, planners, or digital calendars to keep track of your assignments, deadlines, and social commitments. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for focused studying and relaxation. Self-care and balance. Don't forget to take care of yourself and maintain balance. Self-care. Prioritize self-care routines like exercise, sleep, and relaxation to stay mentally and physically healthy. Seek support. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or a counselor. Balancing your girlfriend and studies is a challenge, but it's entirely possible with effective time management, open communication, and careful planning. Remember that a healthy relationship and academic success can go hand in hand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your own tips or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and may your studies and your relationship flourish. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.